Welcome back. I'm Dylan with BimmerTech. BMWs are known for luxury and convenience, but there's so many instances where they hide what should be standard features behind paywalls, bundling them in optional packages that you might not even want. Well, BimmerTech offers some of these features a la carte, so here's a quick overview guide on our main comfort feature upgrades. For select BMWs, BimmerTech offers a power trunk kit, soft close doors, and our proximity access. To find out if your BMW is compatible with these products, make sure you head on over to our website and enter your VIN, and there you'll be presented with a list of all the available products for your vehicle. Let's start with our power trunk. This will allow you to open or close your trunk simply by using your factory key fob. This is great if you're in a hurry or your hands are full, and we also include this button here, which will allow you to close your trunk simply by pressing it. Now, installation of this kit will vary depending on which model you have, but regardless, it will take a little bit of time, so make sure you set aside enough time to do that, or you can find one of our certified installers near you, link in the description on where to find them. Now, it is important to know that installation of this button right here will require you to cut a hole in your trunk liner, so just keep that in mind. Regardless, you will get a set of PDF instructions with your order to help guide you through the process, and we do have 2 videos up on our YouTube channel showing the installation on this F30 and a G20. If you choose to do the installation yourself, you might want to pick up a DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Toolkit, which is going to have all the tools you need and more. Soft close doors are a subtle addition, yet they scream extreme luxury, which is what a BMW should be. So if you treat your BMW like a Rolls Royce, you might want to consider soft close doors. Available for select BMWs, all you have to do is partially close your door and the BMW will do the rest. This was something only available on high-end BMWs, and now they're available for everyone on select models. This is one of the most labor-intensive products that we have though, so we do strongly suggest taking this to a dealer near you. But if you do choose to do it yourself, we are going to send you a set of PDF instructions, and we have a couple videos up on our YouTube channel to help guide you through the process. You might want to set aside an entire weekend though, just to be on the safe side. And finally, proximity access. This will allow you to unlock your BMW simply by walking up to it and lock it by walking away. It's a creature comfort that exudes luxury, and now you can have it too on select BMWs. While the installation process is not as intense as the soft close doors, it is going to take a bit of time, so we do suggest that you set aside enough time to make sure that you get it done. As always, you will get a set of PDF instructions, and we do have an installation video on this G01 to give you an idea on how the process works. So there you have it. That's your quick overview guide on the comfort features offered by BimmerTech. We hope you found this video helpful. Let us know in the comments below what kind of overview video you would like to see us do next. But as always, for more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Want to know what's happening first? Head on over to our website and sign up for our newsletter. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.